This is the BSD Passenger 21-1 BMX bike. I've got a new addition to the drive system, the Shadow V2 chain, the Odyssey sprocket 28, BSD 24, 175, Odyssey pedals, Odyssey forks. I've got the Trey Jones gooseneck on there, and the Shadow headset and BSD passenger bars, Chris Kyle addition to match the frame, Sabrosa seat pole, Snafu seat from the Stranger 2.4s, Cinema 777 and Shadow optimised. I just re-greased it. Should be all good now. No problems with it. Just the back wheel I've had to screw up a few times. I got it back from the bike shop, it was still quite loose. So it seems okay now. The next time I relace it, I'll have to use 2 extra millimeters shorter spokes. I've got metal peg on this side, plastic on that side, division pegs. It's got the 875 handlebars, Odyssey bar ends, and yeah, the front wheel's still off the old bike I was riding before. It's the 48 spoke steel wheel. I've got the with the People Supreme hub to put on there, and a kink Orion front rim. Just need some spokes. So yeah, 21-1, it's not too bad. Pretty sure the back end's about 13.5 or something, maybe less. But it works good on the BMX track. So it's a good all around bike. And they actually make these in a 21.5 as well. Yeah, I've got these forks. They're Odyssey GIs. They're actually 14mm, so I've got the spacers in there. They're quite old forks, but I've had them sitting around for a while. They're going to be solid, so they'll do the job. BSD passenger, retro, graphics. So we're going to go out and do some stunts here later on. Catch you later.